Hello, you are very welcome to the channel. Every year, Brazil sees an increasing number of foreigners arrested for drug trafficking. Most of these cases involve individuals who act as so-called mules, transporting illegal substances through airports in exchange for money or under false promises. Brazil's strategic location and its connection to major international drug routes make it a hotspot for traffickers trying to move cocaine and other substances to Europe, Africa, Asia, and North America. Because of this, the federal police are extremely alert, especially at international airports like São Paulo Guarulhos or Rio de Janeiro Galeão. What many people don't realize is how severe the penalties are in Brazil. Drug trafficking is considered a heinous crime with no possibility of bail and a mandatory prison sentence that can range from 5 to 15 years, sometimes even more depending on the amount and circumstances. Foreigners receive the same treatment under law as Brazilian citizens. Being a tourist, having children in Brazil or not, understanding Portuguese does not change the legal outcome. Once arrested, the foreign national is usually held in a Brazilian prison while awaiting trial. This process can take months or even years, especially when translators are needed or when the person doesn't have legal representation. During this time, the individual has very limited rights. They are far from home, dealing with a language barrier, and often face harsh conditions in prison. Many foreign embassies do offer some support, such as contacting family members and ensure basic human rights are respected, but they do not interfere with the Brazilian justice system or pay for legal defense. This means the individual or their family must hire a local attorney specialized in criminal and immigration law. There is also the immigration consequence. Any foreigner convicted of drug trafficking in Brazil is subject to deporting after serving their sentence. However, deportation is not immediate. The person must finish their time in prison first. In some cases, a transfer to serve the sentence in the person's home country can be requested, but this depends on international agreements and takes time. It's important and imperative to understand that ignorance is not a defense. Even if someone claims they didn't know they are carrying drugs or that they were tricked into it, the Brazilian court rarely accepts these explanations unless there is solid evidence. If you or someone you know is facing the situation, it's crucial and imperative to act fast. Contact a qualified lawyer, notify the embassy, and gather as much documentation support as possible. It's also important to stay informed about your rights and the legal process. Brazil is a beautiful country with a rich culture and welcome people, but when it comes to drug crimes, the laws are strict and the consequences are serious. Always be cautious and never take risks that could change your life forever. Visit my website or send me an email if you have any questions. Please subscribe to the channel and also give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.